Alright, Uncle Mike, here is your video on how to use your crazy technological soldering iron from the future. What you got in your package should be a battery. It'd look like this. It may look like this attached to the battery and the atomizer. Where the button is, here, grab there, and the knurled part, a little etched in it, has some grooving to grab onto it, and twist counterclockwise, unscrewing it. Gives you two pieces. It may have come this way. I don't know how they shipped it. Anywho, battery, atomizer. This is the piece that you put the juice in. When it's put together, all you have to do is take the black cap off of it, again, by gripping it and turning counterclockwise. Yeah, I'm going to talk to you like you're stupid. Anyways, the atomizer that I just dropped, and the bottle of juice. Take your juice, place the nipple of the bottle, don't get hard on me yet, and in there like so, and squeeze the bottle. You'll see the juice fill into the device. Yeah, there you go. That's your filled atomizer. Once it's completely filled with juice, screw it back on the battery. Tap your button 5 times rapidly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll start flashing on you. If when you press the button it turns blue, that means you're ready to go. If it doesn't turn blue, press it 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your on action. It means you're powered up, ready to go. Again, if you want to put it in your pocket, you just hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times again. It locks it, so when you press the button, it doesn't actually create any heat and you don't waste it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Memorize it. Now, on to other parts of it. What the hell that is nasty looking. You should get this wire here. Obviously that goes in your computer or wherever else you'd plug in a USB port. You may have a wall adapter. This piece here and the battery with the atomizer not on it any longer, and twist it in there. There's a light here that will turn red. If it doesn't turn red, call me, because there's something wrong. Once it turns green, you're good to go. Oh, that's the charger. Mom pointed out I didn't actually call it a fucking charger, so obviously that's what you charge it with. So, I sent you, here, let me let you witness that coming apart. This is the atomizer. You should have 2 of those. Once you take it apart here to fill the juice inside of there, and it's empty and it's just not operating quite as well, you'll notice that I've sent you a few of the replacement heating coils. That's actually what heats up and creates the smoke or the vapor that you're seeing. This is the piece, I believe you have 3 or 4 of them in there with you. This is the piece you never want to throw away. If it stops working, put it in a baggie and save it in a drawer, and when they all stop working or you get down to only one, mail them to me and I can rebuild them. I have all the supplies to do it. I'll just mail them right back to you. So how you do that is, again, you would grip the knurled area and the not knurled, or the shiny, and twist counterclockwise. until the top comes off of the bottom, or the base. Screwed onto the base will be the head. Again, you grip it and the knurled and turn counterclockwise and detach it and place the new one on there and go through the whole process again. Hopefully this answers your questions. Otherwise, I don't know what the hell to do for you. Buy a blue. Call me, man.
Grabbed